Hello everyone, my name is Saklain Mullah and today is 17th of November and I am here to talk about the classes and objects in Java. As we know that the Java is an object-oriented programming language, so in order to create or develop an application or to write a code, we need to understand these classes and objects. Any line of code that is written in Java should be encapsulated in a class. A class is also acts as a model for creating an object, which means that the properties and actions are written inside this class for the object. So the properties actually represents the variables and the actions represents the method. So let us now talk about the objects in Java. So object in Java can be said to be a real life entity which has the state and behavior. A state is nothing but the properties which are represented by the variables, and the behavior which are the actions represented by the methods in Java. A method in Java is a line of statements which can be invoked or called upon whenever we need it. Let us understand an object with an example. Let us consider this phone. So as I said, the object consists of the state and the behavior. So let us take example of this phone. So the state of this phone will be its price, its company name, or its camera, how much megapixel does it actually have, and the behavior means that the function which it actually performs. That means the calling, sending SMS, like recording these videos. These represents the behavior. So state will be the properties, and the behavior will be the actions that it actually performs. So this is all about the objects. So let us now move towards the classes. So class actually act as a blueprint for an object. So using the class, multiple objects can be created. So let us take an example for understanding a class. So consider two phones. One is Samsung and other one is iPhone. So both of these one has their own state and behavior. Both of them has the different operating system, different camera configurations, and etc. So but these both phones belong to the same category, that these both are called as phones. So we can say that these both of the devices belong to the class which is named as phone. So this is all about today. Thank you.